side.
That nigga love talking shit, boy. That's a man too.
Oh, so there you go.
Alright, damn. That's a man there, boy. Oh man, I'm gonna leave this. Turn the damn camera back on. Yeah, so you didn't watch the last video. You didn't watch the last video.
I watched that video. You skipped all that shit.
They done came over here now. Well, these motherfuckers fighting, boy. Ooh, shit, look at my rod, cuz. Y'all see that? Look at the rod. Look at the rod. Look at the rod. God almighty, Lee. You don't want them? You sure? Alright. You already got too many to clean, ain't it? Too many to clean, ain't it? So you might as well take all of them. Yeah, like I'm gonna be around you when you say that out there. Here, man, look what I got, man.
I'm gonna be around.
Someone said, come on here, hound dog. I know, you ain't telling me, man. The name got me, that's crazy word. Hound dog. Green. Get him. Get him. You let him go? He ain't going nowhere. Hey, this is Brown the way he fighting. Oh crap. Crap. These motherfuckers hungry, but they not hungry. When they hit that bit, they gonna out there go crazy. fuck?
I ain't gonna lie, that shit scared the fuck out of me though, bro. So I got that little hound dog coming, bro. Hound dog. Boy, glow stick out here go crazy.
Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't be out here at dark though. It is out here. It's out damn coons and shit out here too.
You know that. Fox.
Yeah, most definitely. I done seen a fox personally out there.
Older.
Nah, them bitches will sneak up on you and gon' get you.
Bobcat, bro. Bobcat can get you.
Oh, come back.
You got
You ain't got me. The cul-de-sac all fucking weed. Cul-de-sac. What the hell? I'm fucking. Boy, I'm dead. Boy said a cul-de-sac.
Sound like a YouTube scene.
Yeah, whatever.
Boy, you dumb. You need to boy stay in school, bro. It is a cul-de-sac. Show the camera.
Tell this man
No,
that's
no,
a corner.
Look, show the camera.
That's a corner. That ain't no damn cul-de-sac. Said a cul-de-sac.
I'm gonna comment, and when somebody comment on your shit and say, Mike, that's a cul-de-sac. I'm gonna comment and I'll show you a retarded ass. I'm gonna say cone. You know what a cone is? That nigga say cone. That thing school, man. You ain't even in school. You need to go back to school. It's a cone.
Nigga, I am in school, nigga.
You in school?
Damn right.
Good shit.
Ain't in school for no shit talking about no damn cul-de-sac.
I want to say cone.
My boy said the cul-de-sac. Oh, fucking weak. One more fish, I'm out of here. It's getting dark too. I knew it was gonna happen before we left, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna have a long trip with that basket. I'm glad I ain't bring mine.
You ain't gonna have no fish.
I knew you was coming with it. And once we get up on the railroad track, it's great. It's the cutting through the wood part. Yeah, you already know these damn brim heavy talking about some little ass fish. The motherfucker smacking. That's what the hell they doing. They smacking. Alright, man. Last one, man. Fuck. Green as hell. Probably a crap. Yeah, you talking about crows, nigga? Nigga said cold birds. Okay, yeah. I understand that. It's just the way you said it, bro.
I tell you retarded.
Ain't nobody damn retarded. You talking about some damn cold bird.